everyone, welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. We're going to be making mashed potato cheese puffs today, and they're really easy. You're going to need 3 cups of mashed potatoes that are left over. I didn't have any left over, so I just made them fresh today. I used butter, milk, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. Now be really lenient on, don't put a lot of salt in it because you're going to put cheese that has a lot of salt in it, is what I'm trying to say. So in a bowl, you're going to put your 3 cups of mashed potatoes. I have them kind of more on the smooth side than the dry side. So don't do too dry because they're going to bake in the oven. So you're going to need 3 cups of mashed potatoes, 1 cup of shredded cheese of your choice. I have unexpected cheddar and a little bit of Gruyere Swiss because that's what I had. But if you want to use some cheddar, it would be amazing in this. 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese shredded, 2 tablespoons of chives. I couldn't find fresh chives. I didn't want to use the dry, so I'm using green onion scallions. 1/3 cup of sour cream, salt to taste. I would kind of hold off on the salt. And 2 eggs beaten. We're going to mix that all together. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to spray a muffin pan with non-stick cooking spray.
Spit that one out.
Oh my goodness. What is going on with me today? I can't even speak.
That's because stirring those potatoes kicked your butt.
Yeah, I'm focusing. Alright, I'm just going to mix them really good. You could also add a little bit of garlic, fresh browned garlic in this would be amazing. Or even some garlic powder if you want. I'm just going to make them the way the recipe says so we can see how they come out the first time. Alright, now you're going to take your sprayed pan and you're going to fill the pan to the top. Just like that. Just kind of spread it out. Okay. This is a really quick, easy side dish for dinner. Alright, so now these are done. I got 10. You're going to put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown and puffy. Alright, so here's our finished potato puffs. They look amazing. They took 25 minutes and they're nice and golden brown.
They smell absolutely amazing.
They were really high. They do fall a little bit when they come out of the oven. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.